Okay guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be looking at another really good piece of archery safety gear, and that is the Archery finger guard. Okay, sometimes called a glove, and what it does is it's going to protect your fingers as you're firing a bow across, several hours if you're doing a lot of an archery practice and you want to really improve your skills and you're doing sort of 2 or 3 hours on the weekend. Or even hunting with it, then you'll find that the bowstring can really wear on your fingers unless you're using, I guess, some of the modern gadgets that are out there. But I shoot traditional, and obviously does depend on the technique that you're going to use. But I find personally I use a 3-finger technique, so or shoot 2 fingers, and what I like to do is use a guard such as this to protect my fingers. Otherwise you're going to end up wearing away the skin on your fingers, and that can be really quite painful and really annoying. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We'll be building this channel approximately 1 or 2 videos every day, so hopefully achieving as many as 10 videos a week that we'll be publishing up on YouTube. We will soon be covering all types of topics across the whole medieval period, from weapons to religion to culture to dress. We're going to look at different societies and cultures and what made them succeed whilst others failed. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please leave a comment below, or you can message me direct through YouTube. Please feel free to share this video on your favourite social media platform, whether that be Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, as it helps us to build our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.